In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Calendly link to your email signature in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make it easier for people to book time with you directly from your emails, whether you're using it for sales calls, client meetings, interviews, or general scheduling. It looks professional, saves time, and can help you get more bookings without back and forth messages. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is copy your Calendly link. Go ahead and log in to your Calendly account. Once you're inside, head to your main event types or your dashboard. From there, look for the specific meeting type you want people to book, or use your main profile scheduling link. Next to that link, click Copy Link. This will save the Calendly URL to your clipboard so you can paste it into your email signature in the next step. Now that you have your link copied, the next part is to open your email signature settings. If you're using Gmail, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select See All Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the signature section. This is where you can create or edit the text that appears automatically at the bottom of your emails. Once you're in the signature editor, it's time to add your Calendly link. Type a clear call to action phrase that tells people exactly what to do. For example, you can write "schedule a call with me" or "book time on my calendar." These phrases work well because they are simple, direct, and easy for recipients to understand. After typing your call to action text, highlight those exact words with your mouse. Then click the link icon in the signature toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain link. A box will appear where you can paste your copied Calendly URL. Paste the link into the web address field, then click OK or Save depending on what your email platform shows. At this point, your text should now be linked to your Calendly booking page. The final step is to save your overall email settings so the signature changes actually apply. Make sure you scroll down if needed and click Save Changes at the bottom of the settings page. Without saving, the link may not appear in your outgoing emails. That's really all there is to it. Now every time you send an email, people can click directly on your signature and book time with you through Calendly. This is one of the easiest ways to make your email signature more useful and more professional. If you want the best results, keep your call to action short and clear. You want it to stand out, but you also want it to feel natural inside your signature. A simple line like "book a meeting with me" works well for most people. You can also use your name, job title, and company details around it to make the full signature look polished. And if this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.